Rosemary, a herb known for its fragrant aroma and culinary uses, has been used for centuries for its multitude of health benefits. In today's video, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of rosemary tea. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Benefit 1. Enhances memory and mental clarity. Before we jump into the science of it, let's take a quick look inside your brain. The brain is a complex network of billions of neurons, constantly firing and communicating with each other to keep us functioning optimally. These fascinating brain scans show us that rosemary tea can actually stimulate certain neurotransmitters, unlocking the potential for memory enhancement and mental clarity. Now, how does this work? Rosemary contains powerful antioxidants that prevent damage to brain cells and promote overall brain health. One of these antioxidants is called rosmarinic acid, which plays a vital role in protecting the brain against free radicals and neurodegenerative diseases. The rosmarinic acid found in rosemary tea has been shown to increase the production of acetylcholine in the brain. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter responsible for memory and learning. By boosting acetylcholine levels, rosemary tea helps to improve memory retention and recall. Just steep a few fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water for a few minutes, and you're ready to reap the benefits. You can even add a dash of natural sweeteners like honey or lemon for added taste. Benefit 2. Immune system booster. First and foremost, rosemary tea is packed with antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosol, can help reduce inflammation and support a healthy immune response. Rosemary tea also contains several essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and iron. These nutrients play a vital role in boosting our immune system's function, helping us fight off illnesses and infections more effectively. Researchers have even found that rosemary tea may have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and viruses in our bodies. This not only strengthens our immune system, but also promotes overall well-being. Benefit 3. Respiratory health. Rosemary contains compounds that act as natural expectorants, helping to alleviate congestion and breathing difficulties. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of why rosemary tea is perfect for your respiratory system. The tea's active compounds, including rosmarinic acid and cineol, possess anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These elements work together to reduce inflammation in the airways and fight off harmful pathogens. Rosemary tea also supports overall lung health. It helps to strengthen the respiratory system and promotes optimum lung function. So, if you're looking to breathe easier and keep your lungs in top-notch condition, a cup of rosemary tea a day might just do the trick. Benefit 4. Digestion aid. Our digestive system works tirelessly every day to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. Sometimes, though, it needs a little extra help. Enter rosemary tea, a natural aid packed with digestive goodness. Rosemary tea contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and essential oils. These components have been linked to stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion, and alleviating discomfort related to indigestion. Feeling bloated after a heavy meal can be pretty uncomfortable. Rosemary content's natural properties help relax the muscles in your digestive system, reducing bloating and enabling smoother digestion. Whether it's nausea, cramping, or an upset stomach, rosemary tea has been used traditionally to provide relief. The calming properties of this herbal elixir can help ease stomach discomfort and promote a sense of well-being. Proper nutrient absorption plays a crucial role in maintaining good health. Rosemary tea has been shown to enhance the absorption of essential minerals like iron and calcium, ensuring your body benefits to the fullest from the food you consume. Benefit 5. Stress relief. In this fast-paced and stressful world, we owe it to ourselves to find those little moments of peace and relaxation. So why is rosemary tea gaining popularity for its stress-relieving qualities? Well, this ancient herbal remedy contains compounds, such as rosmarinic acid and caffeic acid, which have been shown to possess incredible stress-reducing properties. When you sip on rosemary tea, these aromatic compounds interact with your body, promoting relaxation and calming your nerves. Studies have shown that rosemary tea can also help reduce symptoms of anxiety and promote better sleep. By incorporating this wonderful beverage into your daily routine, you may find yourself feeling calmer, more focused, and enjoying a more restful night's sleep. Rosemary tea also contains compounds that stimulate the release of dopamine, a mood-boosting neurotransmitter. So you're not just sipping on a cup of tea, you're also nourishing your body from the inside out. Benefit 6. Antioxidant Powerhouse. First off, rosemary tea is believed to support our immune system by neutralizing harmful free radicals. This helps to enhance our overall well-being and lower the risk of chronic diseases. You can get creative with rosemary tea too. Add it to your favorite smoothie or incorporate it into salad dressings for an extra antioxidant punch. Benefit 7. Blood circulation booster. Blood circulation plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. It ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach every corner of our body, supporting cell renewal and organ function. But sometimes, due to various factors like a sedentary lifestyle, poor diet, or even high stress levels, our blood flow can become sluggish. Rosemary contains compounds like phytochemicals and antioxidants that promote vasodilation, which is a fancy term for widening blood vessels. This means that by sipping on a cup of rosemary tea, you can help your blood vessels relax and expand, allowing for increased circulation throughout your body. Rosemary tea also contains rosmarinic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, it helps clear up any blocked pathways, allowing for smoother blood flow and healthier circulation. Benefit 8. Weight and fat management aid. One of the key factors in weight management is a well-functioning metabolism. And guess what? Rosemary tea has got your back here. Studies have shown that the compounds present in rosemary tea can help boost your metabolism, enabling your body to burn calories more efficiently. Now let's focus on another crucial aspect of weight management, which is controlling those pesky cravings. Rosemary tea acts as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you feel fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to give in to those unnecessary snacking temptations throughout the day. Not only does rosemary tea curb your hunger, but it also has an incredible ability to inhibit the absorption of fat in the body. The active compounds in rosemary tea interfere with the digestive process of dietary fats, preventing their absorption and storage. This means that you'll be consuming fewer calories from fat, leading to gradual fat loss over time. The incredible benefits of rosemary tea that will make you want to include this aromatic beverage in your daily ritual. So the next time you're looking for a warm and comforting drink, don't forget to reach for that fragrant cup of rosemary tea. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tea-rific content. And we'll see you in our next video.